Today, we will be making a duct tape wallet. For our first time making this, it turned out really good. We only did a little research on this, so most of it was just guessing. But to start, we measured a 9-inch strip of duct tape and then placed it sticky side up on the table. The goal is to get a square sheet of duct tape by overlapping the sticky side and then flipping and repeating the process. Then we folded in the sticky sides so there's only orange. After that, we measured and then used a razor to cut a perfect 7.5 by 7.5 inch square. Then we made a second sheet using the same method as the first, but with pre-cut strips of duct tape. We learned from the second time that cutting the duct tape into strips and then assembling it all at once is way faster. We folded the first square in half and cut off the slack on the sides. Then we taped the sides together, creating a pocket. We razored off the bottom excess, but for the top we decided to cut it in the middle and then fold it into the pouch. It looks better this way. We cut a small portion of the second sheet off and then split that in two, which gave us two very nice squares that we'll be using as our pockets. And finally, we duct taped the squares to the inside of the main pouch. Boom, an awesome orange duct tape wallet.
And I'm sure this is the part where I'm supposed to beg you to like and subscribe and all that, yada yada. Do it if you want, don't if you don't.